Hey guys, now we have the latest Nio phone, and this brand Nio also made the cool and advanced technology electronic vehicles. So here is the new phone, the new generation Nio Phone 2, and we can find this time it gets a very nice design, and this part is shining glass and it's like sand polishing glass combined and extended camera zone here, triple camera system. This is a customized key for the car, power button, volume button. Okay, unlock it. Check the specification about the phone. RAM, ROM, battery, processor. Okay, wake up. Press this button and the customize button will go to my special application of the car, Nio. You can find the car information here. Connect it. Use it to control the air conditioner, massage, heating, music, perfume, window, brake, location, map, GPS. Very nice. Check the camera. One angle, normal. Five times. Maximum 30. Selfie. Nice. Check the design from different angles. Okay, we use it as a controller. Remote controller here. Here. You can add device here. Control IoT, air conditioner, fan, heater, TV box, projector, light, curtain, camera. Welcome. This is the control camera, full display screen and covered. It's very comfortable when I hand it on my fan, and it's like a storm feelings. Display performance also good. The Nio app, simple UI. Okay, enjoy. Cool. This is the periscope camera. Frame, same color like the back panel. Triple camera system. This is the free image, speaker, mic, Type C. Changes, UI. Okay, thanks for watching my quick review about the Nio phone in the Nio car ET5. Hope you like this phone and like the cars. Make a comment and let me know your thoughts about the phone design and the specification. I put some pictures at the end of the video, and also you can check more information about the phone specification from the official website. And yes, there are more information from the specification here. Screen, display screen, brightness, UI. Okay. Yes, okay. Bye bye.